We have given fractional equation. Let me copy first our example. And what else we can do? We have here t squared minus 9, so we can use difference of two perfect squares formula when we have a squared minus b squared. This is equal a minus b times a plus b. In our example, a is equal t and b is equal 3. Because 9, we can rewrite that this is 3 to second power. So we can rewrite the first denominator, t squared we have to copy, and in denominator we will have t minus 3 times t plus 3 plus we have t minus 3, and because in the first parent denominator we have t plus 3, so I will change the order and I will put first variable t and we have plus 3. So this is equal 3 plus 2t over t minus 3. So now we see that we have on the left side addition of algebraic fractions. How we add algebraic fractions? We have to have the same denominator. We have t minus 3 plus and t plus 3, we have t plus 3, and we will change the right side to the same denominator. Also, so we have only t minus 3, so the lowest common denominator for this expressions, what will be? We have to have in the denominator every expression which we have in this three denominators. We have t minus 3, so we have to write t minus 3. We have t plus 3, so we have to write. Next we have t plus 3 we have already, and t minus 3 we have already. So because we didn't change the first denominator, so in numerator we have to copy, and we have plus. We have to have the same denominator, so we will keep the same order of terms, so we have t minus 3 times t plus 3. The second denominator, in the second denominator we have only t plus 3, so I have to multiply with t plus 3 times t minus 3. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do the same with the numerator. So now we will have t minus 3 times t minus 3, so this is t minus 3 to second power, and this is equal, like I said, we will take the same denominator, so t minus 3 times t plus 3 we have, and because we have only in the third denominator t minus 3, so we will multiply by t plus 3. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So we will have to copy 3 plus 2t times t plus 3. Now, when we have the same denominators, we can add these two algebraic fractions. We copy denominator, and we have to add numerators, so it will be t squared, and we have t minus 3 to second power. We can use formula a minus b to second power. This is square of binomial. This is equal a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In our example, a is equal t and b is equal 3. So we will have plus t squared minus 2 times t times 3, so it will be minus 6t, and 3 to second power, so this is 9. This is equal. Denominator we will copy. And now in the numerator we have to do multiplication. Every expression in the first parenthesis we have to multiply by the every expression in the second parenthesis. So 3 times t is 3t, 3 times 3 is 9, 2t times t, so this is 2t squared, 2t times 3, this is 6t. Now we see that we have the same denominator, so when this left side will be equal to the right side. only when numerator on the left side will be equal to the numerator on the right side. So we can now forget about denominators. We have only numerators to compare, and now we combine the like terms. T square and t square will be 2t square. We have minus 6t plus 9. This is equal. We have 2t square, 3t plus 6, so will be 9t and plus 9. Now we will move the expression with t's to the left side. So we have 2t square minus 6t and will be minus 2t square and minus 9t. Because I moved to the left side, so I have to change the sign. We have positive, so now is negative. So this is equal. We have 9 and 9. When I move to the right side will be negative 9. So now we see that 2t and negative 2t square we can cancel out, so we have negative 60 and negative 90, so this is equal negative 15t is equal 0. So now we have to divide both sides by negative 15. 0 divided by negative 15 is 0. Negative 15 we will reduce. So we have that t is equal 0. Now we have to come back to our equation, original equation, and we have to check if this solution is correct. How we do this? We have to substitute every t's in our equation by 0. So first, let me copy our example. We have t squared over t squared minus 9 plus t minus 3 over 3 plus t. This is equal 3 plus 2t over t minus 3. Now I will substitute t's by 0. So we have 0 over, to second power it will, it will be 0, 0 to second power minus 9 plus 0 minus 3 over 3 plus 0. This should be equal 3 times 2 times 0 over 0 minus 3. 0 over 9, negative 9 is still 0. And we have plus negative 3 over 3, so this is negative 1. This should be equal. We have 3, of course, should be plus here. 3 plus 0 over 0 minus 3 is negative 3. So on the left side we have negative 1. This should be equal. 3 divided by negative 3 is negative 1. Positive over negative give me negative 3 and 3 will reduce. So we have left side is equal to the right side. What it means? That t equals 0 is solution for our fractional equation.